Hi guys, so today's question is of medium complexity that has been accepted, and let me take a description of the problem. The description says the find the right interval. So you're given an integer array intervals of 2D array where integer I is start and end, and each start I is unique, means 3 is unique, 2 is unique, and 1 is unique. The right interval for an interval I is then interval j such that start of j is greater than equal to end of I and start j is minimized. Basically, it says that you have to find the right interval starting from 3 4. For 3 4 the right interval is none of them, because the the next element start element is greater than equal to the end element. 2 is must be greater than equal to 4, and first the condition is it must be greater than equal to the end element. That is not the case here, is also not the case, because the 1 is not greater than equal to 4, and if it is greater then we have to minimize that element. That will be minimum in that 2D array. Starting from 2 3, the next starting the next element is 1, and 1 is not greater than equal to 3, so that is we refuse this element. Then comes 3 4. So 3 is greater than equal to 3, so this is passed. Similarly for 1 2, 3 4 is not the answer, because 3 is not greater than so 2 is not greater than equal to 2, and 2 is greater than equal to 2. So this is the right interval for this element. So what approach I have taken here? So I have taken the number of columns and the integer dot max value starting from the rows. I have taken the fourth element. Okay, so I have taken the last element. If I is equal to j, because we can't compare with the same element, and I have taken the first element. Okay, and I have put in the condition that the start element must be greater than the end element, and start element should be minimized. And minimized, I have taken integer dot max value. Of course, the first element will be less than the max value. That is, there is some large value. The integer max value is taken. That is, you can see that 2147483, and then start equal to I will increase the count, because if it is coming there's some element which it is the start element must be greater than the end element, and I will update that min element with that element and store the indices to store in the answer of array. That is answer, which is equal to the length is equal to the number of rows. So if it is no count equal to 0, I will assign -1 to it. Otherwise I will assign indices to it. I will make again count to 0 and increase this array to store the next element, and I will print the array.